Hello friends, welcome to part 25 of Laravel 12 multi-binary e-commerce series. We will continue working on the categories module, and in this part we are going to delete category image as well as the site chart via AJAX. So let's start. In the last part we have seen that we able to show the categories, we able to work on the add, edit, category, delete functionality as well as the active, inactive category functionality as well. And now we are going to work on the delete functionality for the category image as well as the site chart. So far we able to upload the category image as well as the site chart, but we are not able to delete. So you can see here that we can able to upload the category image as well as the site chart, and here I'm going to show you that both category image as well as the site chart we able to upload, we able to show them as well, but we are not able to delete them. So we require the functionality here we require the delete link to delete the category image as well as the delete link to delete the site chart. So let's follow these points. So in the first point, we are going to delete the category image via AJAX. We are going to update the add edit category blade file to show here the delete link. Okay, along with this category image, we are going to show the delete link as well. So we are going to modify the add edit category blade file. Here I am going to open, I'm going to see here the category image. Here you can see the category image, and we are showing this image here. If the image is coming, then we are going to show this image. And after showing this image, we are going to add here the link to delete the category image as well. After this one, we are going to add the link to delete this image, and we will add the id here, delete category image id, and here the data category id, data attribute for the category id, in which we are going to pass this category id to the AJAX, okay, so that we can able to delete this particular category image. Okay, so in the next step we are going to create this jQuery function that will work on click event. When the user will click on this delete link, it is based on this delete category image id. Okay, then this jQuery function will work. So we are going to add this jQuery function here in our custom.js file located at the front, sorry, located at the admin. Here we are going to add this jQuery function. Okay, so here you can see, first of all, we are going to confirm the admin that are you sure you want to remove this category image? If the admin will click on confirm, if the admin will click on yes, then we are going to call this delete category image URL, and we are going to pass this data, this category ID, so that we can able to delete the category image of that category ID. Okay, so we are going to create this route, delete category image route. This post route we are going to create in web.php file. Here after this we are going to create this route. Okay, so we are going to create this function delete category image function in the category controller. Here we are going to create this function delete category image function in the category controller, in which we are going to call the another function that is located at the category service. Okay, so we have the category service to perform all category logics. Okay, so that's why we will call this function delete category image function that is located at the category service. Category service we have already injected at the constructor, you can see at the top of the category controller. So we are just required to call this delete category image here, and we are going to pass this category id to that delete category image function that we are going to create inside the category service. So I'm going to open here the category service, and we'll add the function delete category image function that will handle the actual logic of delete the category image both from the folder as well as the database. Okay, so here we are going to add this function that will not only delete the category image from the folder but also from the table categories table. Okay, So here you can see that we will first find the category image from the category table. Okay. So after finding that image, we are going to check out its path, and we are going to lead that image. If that image exists, then we are going to lead that image from that folder. And also we are going to update the category table. Category model means indirectly we are going to update the categories table, and we are going to make the image as null. Okay. So that, and we are going to return the success message that the category image glittered successfully. Okay. So here we are going to refresh here. See, once it will go back to the AJAX function here, it will go back and will show the message there. Okay. It will show the message in alert. Okay. And will remove that category image block that we have, that we are required to add here. Okay. So we are required to add this one in one block, and because we want to remove that delete link. Okay. So here you can see the empty2. We will give one id here so that it will remove this block. Okay. Once the image will get littered, then we will not show this image as well as the delete link. Okay. So right now you can see the delete link here as well as the image. Once the image gets littered, then we will not show these two things. So this category image block we are going to remove once the image gets littered. Once we will alert, we will show the message that the category image littered successfully. After that, we are going to remove this block. We will not show these two things. Okay. So let's do that. Let's delete the category image. First, I will click on delete, and here the message is coming, are you sure you want to remove this category image? If I will click cancel, then nothing will happen, and if I will click OK, then it will remove the category image. It will be saying the category image littered successfully, and here you can see the category image is littered from here. Okay. So this thing you can also do at your end. So now in the same way we are going to lead the side chart image as well. Okay. So here we are going to follow the same process for leading the side chart image. Okay. First we are going to add the side chart here. Here we are going to show the delete link, and here first we are going to show the id so that we can able to remove this side chart block once the admin clicks on the deleting the side chart. And this link we are going to add after image source. We are going to add this link as well, and this id delete side chart image, and we are going to pass the category id as well, and we are going to add this jQuery function in custom.js file in the same way like we have added the delete category image function. Here we are going to add this one as well. Okay. Fine. So delete side chart image. Are you sure you want to remove the side chart image? And if the admin confirm this, then we are going to call this URL delete side chart image. So we are going to create this route, post route once again, delete side chart image. After this, we are going to create this route, this post route, in which we are that will take the control to this delete side chart image function that we are going to create in category controller, and in which we are going to call the another function, and that is located at the category service, read side chart image function in the category service, where we will lead the actual side chart image as well as side chart name from the categories table. So here you can see that we will remove the side chart image as well as side chart image from the side charts folder, and also we are going to update the categories table, and will update the side chart column to null. Okay. So now we are going to test the side chart as well. Here I'm going to refresh once, and here you can see the delete icon. If I will click on delete icon, are you sure you want to remove the side chart image? If you will click cancel, then nothing will happen, and if you will click on OK, then the side chart image deleted successfully message is coming. If you will click OK, then you can see the side chart deleted successfully. Okay. So once again I'm going to add the category image as well as I'm going to add the site chart image. Okay, I will add some other image. Okay, so here you can see both the category image as well as the site chart image is visible here. You can also show the link of these two images so that if the admin wants to see its bigger image, then he can able to see that. So we can add the image as well. I'm going to simply will add its URL here like this. Okay, so let's click on this one. If the admin wants to see the big image, big category image, then he can click on this and the big image will open. Same thing he can do there as well for the site chart. Okay, we are going to check the site chart as well. Okay, big image for the site chart. So it's clickable now. So if the admin clicks on delete for the category image, then this image gets littered. You can see it's get littered. And if he clicks on this delete image, delete site chart, if you want to delete the site chart image, then he will click on this delete link. Then this will also delete this site chart image later successfully. Okay, so both will get littered, both from the folder as well as from the database. Okay, so I hope that you can able to do this thing at your end, and we will in the upcoming video we are going to work on the roles and permission for the categories. Please stay tuned for the next part in which we are going to work on the roles and permission for the categories. And also please subscribe the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please open the Stack Developer YouTube channel and please subscribe it for more updates, for the Laravel updates, for the Shopify updates. Okay, and please join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.